Hi, my amazing artists. In this video, we're going to talk about how to draw our sketches for our 5th grade collaborative project. So you can see here, these are these transparent discs that we're going to collectively put together to create one big piece of artwork for our district art show. So our design needs to happen on this sketch piece of paper before we can actually draw it onto here, because you're going to have that one circle to draw it on. I have some worksheets here to kind of help you, to give you different patterns, different ways to draw letters or block and bubble or even graffiti. So your design can be very literal, where you see your letters very simple and to one to the left, one to the right, but it can also be where they're more abstract and distorted, or you can use all 3 letters, or you can use all 2. So like this one, it only uses 2, a D and an H. And this one is S, R, N, and A. And this one, the person had 3 M's for their name, so their middle, their last, and their first name are all starting with an M, so they did like a big M with a 3 for like, to represent the 3 M's, and it kind of made it look like an M on its side. But to get started, you're just going to use a pencil, and you can, to draw like a bubble letter or a block letter, all you're going to do is lightly take your pencil and draw that letter or letters. You want to do it all at once. So like here, I'm going to draw a K and an H. And then to make this more of a block letter, I'm going to come around, and a bubble letter is more round at the corners and round at the top. You're just going to trace around. And a block letter is more square at the top. And you can have it go right off the edge. And then once you have that drawn, you are going to take your eraser and lightly go over that first letter that you drew. To get rid of it so that it's a big empty space inside. Now you can see here on my examples, I've got different lines and patterns. Some of it are in the negative spaces, which are in between where the letters would be. Some of it's in that positive space, which is the letter. So you can come back and then decide to put your patterns either inside the letter or even put it in the background. I wouldn't worry too much about coloring anything in, because that will be kind of more of like a waste of your time, in my opinion. Not good use of your time. So just draw the shapes you want, and if there's something really small you want to color in, fine. But that's kind of the overall idea of what you're going to do. But you're going to come up with 3 different designs. And again, your design doesn't have to be where you see both letters very distinct. It can be more abstract, or you can even reverse the order that they come in. So like here, I could do a K and then have the H as the first, and then go around and trace that image and have that be one unified like shape for my design. But main thing, have fun, be creative. You can incorporate different types of style. You can have your letters, like this is an A. That's not a very like realistic A that we see in our normal, writing. So it can be somewhat abstract. And have fun and enjoy.